Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In the last tutorial we talked about creating an event, which we created an event called Talk by Dr. John. So at this point, the event is created on the system and it has a code 6082, which you can share out with people for them to sign into that event. However, as a club director, you would want this event to be publicized to members and maybe guests who have ever come to your club. So today we're going to learn about how to publicize this event. By publicizing, what we're actually doing is enabling the system to send a notification to all the members of the club, notifying them about this coming event, and also any person who has ever visited your club and any guest. There's a difference between a visitor and a guest. Members are actually members of your club. Visitors, these are Rotarians and Rotaractors from other club who have come to visit you. Guests, these are people who have no idea about what Rotary is all about and you've brought them in to the club. We call them guests. So when you publicize this event, visitors, guests, and members will get a WhatsApp message telling them about this event. So that's what you're going to learn to do right away. So we again click on this plus menu. Remember, I'm still on my club. Yeah, my club event. Here it is. So I'll click on the plus event, and now I want to click on publicize event. Before you click on this, you might want to note down the code of the event you want to publicize. For instance, the Hangout is 2456 and the Talk by Dr. John is 6082. So I'm interested to publicize code 6082. So I'll say publicize event. It asks me, do you want to publicize an event so everyone can locate it and attend? I say yes, publicize. So the code is 6082. I say submit. So it checks out for the code and then it tells me, is the event Talk by Dr. John organized by the Rotary Club of your name, your district, and something like that? If this information is correct, you say yes, proceed. So publicizing an event will require more data than when you're creating an event. This is because we need to tell people where the event actually is. So the first thing it asks is an event venue. I say add venue. I'll have to search. So let's assume this event is at the Clarion Hotel at the CBD Nairobi. So I'll write there the Clarion Hotel Nairobi. Aha, there it is, the Clarion Hotel, Moi Avenue, Nairobi, Kenya. I pick on that. So we've got the location, right? Next is the charges. It's important for your guests and visitors to get to know, will they be charged to that event? I'll say add charge. So I might say room charge at Kenya shillings, let's say 250. That's the room charge that people will pay to come to this event. So I say add. So here everyone will be notified of the room charge. Then event poster. Now here, if you do have a poster that you would want to as an add on the event, you can put their poster. But if maybe you lack somebody to do your artworks as a club, you do not really have to put a poster. You can jump that. So I'll assume I don't have a poster. So I'll come down here and say broadcast event. So I'll say broadcast event. Aha, the event has already been publicized and is now available on Near Me. So basically the event has been publicized. So that is how you publicize an event. And for you just to be sure that the event has actually been publicized, you can check it out on Near Me, which I will talk about it on our next recording. Thank you.